In this video, I will show you how to download apps on a laptop on Windows 10. So normally if you're on a phone, what you would need to do is come across to the App Store or the iTunes Store, and basically what you're going to do is find the app you want to download and click to install. So if you actually try and do this on a Windows 10 laptop or PC, you're going to get the install button from the Play Store. When you go ahead and give that a click, it's only going to give you the options to install on registered devices. So you can see it's only giving me the option to just install this onto my Samsung phone. So to actually install any apps on your laptop, what you actually need to do is come across to the Microsoft Store. To do this, all you need to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner of your desktop, click into the search box and then type Microsoft Store, and you will see you're going to get a app come up like this. So what you want to do is give this a click to open up the Microsoft Store. It's just going to take a minute to load through, and once it's loaded through, you're going to see something that looks like this, and this way you can actually come to download different apps, games, movies, and so many more things. So for example, if I wanted to install Netflix, what you can do is actually come to this search box at the top of the page, and if there's an app you're looking for in particular, say Netflix for example, I can go ahead and type this here, and you'll see it's going to come up with the app. So we've got the Netflix app here. What I'm going to do is give that a click, and this is going to take you across to the page where you can actually install this onto your laptop. So I've actually got Netflix installed. As you can see, it says open. So obviously once it's installed, you can come to the search box down here, type Netflix, and you will see the app is ready to install. Install any apps, all you need to do is simply click onto the app that you want to choose. So for example, if I scroll down on the home page, I'm going to go for WhatsApp, and once you click, you're going to get a blue button which says get. So all you want to do is give that a click. And what that's going to do is basically take you across and start installing the app. You can see underneath it says downloading, and obviously depending on the size of the app, it's going to take a couple minutes or so just to go ahead and do that. So I hope this video helped you out today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.